Let's start on the daily. So on the daily, guys, if we could check, we have what? We have our lowest low, which is there. This is the lowest low that I have. Let's say this is my lowest low. So I can just increase so you could see the size. That's the lowest low. And this is my what? This is my highest height of the structure. And this happens to be my important level. So from the daily, guys, I like to go to the what? I like to go to the 4 hour. When I go to the 4 hour, guys, you could see on how price is acting. We do have a certain trend line that we can put there because price is moving in a smooth way, guys. So now I have this trend line here, which it has enough connects, and then I go to the lower low. We have a breakout there. So when we have a breakout, guys, remember we have the 90% rule where our take profit will be here. This will be take profit number 1, and this one has to be take profit number 2. So guys, from the 4 hour now, I'll be heading to the 1 hour. Now heading to the 1 hour. So even on the 1 hour, guys, if you could see clearly, price did break that level. And when price breaks a certain level, it has to give you a retracement to show that it did really break. So we could see that we have a what? We have a retracement there. So what's happening with those candlesticks is trying to catch sellers who think, nah, man, it's rejecting it to sell. Don't forget, you have this level here. You understand? You have this level here, which it acts as a what? It acts as a, what is it? Inverse head and shoulder setup. So our direction on this one, guys, without fear or favor, we're gonna go long. Guys, I have enough reasons to say it will go long. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that once you see it, you can't unsee it. I've seen such setups before and they played out. And if this setup doesn't really play out, guys, it doesn't mean like we are not good or what, it's part of the process, it does happen. You can't get each and every setup right, but then like each and every setup that you get wrong, take it as a lesson. Next time, don't repeat the same mistakes, So now I'll go to the last time frame, which is the M15. Understand? So I'll be on the M15. On the M15, price is still nice on the M15. The M15 shows me what I really want to see, because the M15, you can see 54462. You could see that, like, guys, now we are on the right time to be buying. So this was my market breakdown on VIX75, guys. To those who want signals, guys, I only do the weekly signals for 300 Rand. It's Manando the Go. You can even get me on Instagram. Like when it comes to those VIX things, guys, I'm good. I was once called Manando VIX75. So you can't beat experience, So you see how nice it is, guys. This thing, it's nice. This setup is nice. The chances of the setup to play out, it's 90. Okay, we are done with VIX75. Let's see. A lot of people want me to analyze VIX100. It's nice being on those indices, guys, because I'll just analyze 5 of them, though, So this is a VIX100. What do we see on VIX100? We have the lowest low. We can't really determine the highest height because price broke this. I think that was supposed to be the what? This was supposed to be the highest height, But then price couldn't do what we thought it can do. You understand, guys? Because this was the level. So on this level, price decided to break and go up. So let me break down to you on how did price go up. Guys, we had this structure here, So with this structure, you could see that, okay, market went down. there was a break there, you understand? So when there was a break, that's what made the market go up. And the market moves in an impulse. And then we had a what? We had a correction. And then we had an impulse. So this is how the market moves. It just moves in an impulse correction, you understand, guys? So don't be surprised on how it moved. But then it just moves in an impulse correction, You understand, guys? You know how it is. So for this price, the market was moving in the simplest way. It's just that I didn't really see it when it was doing that, because I'm not really trading those things, guys. I'm just analyzing for the content on YouTube. To those who might be trading them, you can at least have a clue, So okay, price tends to be like this. If we were to zoom in, you could see that, okay, here we have this, you understand? We have this. And then again, the same structure that I was highlighting, they did really happen, But then I feel like it's useless, because now we're just going to be analyzing the previous market. We need to focus on what's happening now. So what's happening now, guys, let's just pray price breaks a certain level, which is this level. If the market can break that level for us, guys, then we are in a good position. But then it is possible for the market to do what? To come here first, and then after coming there, that's when we can go for what? We can go for sales. I think I'll be selling from that level. You understand? I'll be selling from that level. Okay, so my take profit will be this level. So I can be selling from that level. So we're gonna go to the 1 hour and see. My network, I think network is tripping, guys, but then let's just wait for it to load. Okay, it did load. So as I said, price can push a little bit higher. You could see that this structure, it shows you that, okay, it's an expanding one. So now if you're a scalper, you can take this on, but then just because I'm a long-term trader, I know what I'm waiting for. So price here, it gave you something like this. When price gives you something like this, then now I know that, okay, we're gonna be heading for what? We're gonna be heading for the third touch. Okay, so I'll be highlighting how we're gonna get it, or how we're gonna get there. So okay, these guys, this happens to be the first touch. This happens to be the first touch. This happens to be the second touch. And this happens to be the third touch. So now price will do what? Price will break that level, going to the upside. So from now we can take a signal from here to this level. This is going to be what? This is going to be my take profit level, guys. So this is going to be my take profit level. Stop loss has to be tight, because anything is possible. 1, 2. So now we have to go up. Let's see what the M15 says. On the M15, I just have to adjust there and there again, guys, because price looks well, and I have this thing. It was an impulse. So after the impulse, you know the drill, guys. You know the drill. We have a correction, like impulse correction, and then what? And then impulse. So when it's like this, guys, just know that, okay, it's about to go down. So it's about to do what? It's about to buy. So I can't advise someone to take this position and say, oh, we're selling it. Nah, wait for it to go and complete the third touch there. You understand? So as it goes to go and complete the third touch, remember one thing, guys. You might be having what we call the possible double top. A possible double top is when price comes around this level, then decides to come down, because the market is just a game of probability, possibility. So price can do that, bear in mind. You just have to bear in mind that price can do certain things, you understand? So that's how it is. You see, price can reach that level. So don't just rush price thinking that it will go your way. Nah, you just have to relax. So I'm done with VIX 100, guys. So now I saw someone saying I should analyze step index. So I'm opening step index. Okay, it's still loading, guys. So those things, guys, you just move the same. If you have a winning strategy and then you are sorted, you know, you don't have to be changing from strategy to strategy. Ish, I think this one is interesting. A little bit of a challenge, but it's interesting. We go to the 24 hour, as you all know, 24 hour is a daily time. And I'm saying this one will be interesting. I really meant it. This has to be the lowest low. Lowest low of the structure. I'll just take this one as the highest height. Because this one is built different. So when it's like this, man, we do have what? We do have this trend line, which is the supporting trend line. And then you have to have the upper trend line, which others call it the resistance trend line. So we can just zoom in. And when we zoom in, okay, we do have what? We do have 1, 2, there's the third touch. And sometimes zoom to expand and check your charts. You see, so now we're gonna go to the 4 hour. So this is the what? This is the chart on the on the 4 hour. So we have these as the what? This can be playing out as a double top, you know. So if this doesn't play out, then we're gonna go for the third touch, then we can drop. But then I feel like it will play out, so on stop index, not scared, we're selling. Now go to the 1 hour. You know, we need to always visit the 1 hour because the 1 hour has a lot of information. And the reason price broke up, guys, and went up was because of these levels here. See, market made the market to buy here, trend line strategies, a strategy that you could say you could ever use. So again, we have that, guys, you know, and we have this. So let's just hope it breaks going down so we can come for what? We can come for the third touch, which is really what I want, you know. That's my prediction. That's what I really want. So I'm only left with 2 pairs. So like analyze, you know. But then price, guys, I feel like we can go for the third touch. The chances of going to the third touch are high because we have to touch that level. After touching that level, and then now I can consider price to be coming here. So okay, guys, this was the step index. So let's see now what I'll have to analyze. Okay, let's see what people love. Boom 1000. I'm going for boom 1000. Let's see if we can trade boom 1000, guys. Okay. Boom 1000, guys. I'll start on the daily. So when I'm in the daily, guys, I'll use trend lines on this one because it deserves trend lines, you know. This one deserves trend lines. I have enough touches, 1, 2, 3. Even on the lower lows, I need to have the same touches. So you have the same touches. Yeah, you see. So that was the daily. So I have to move to what? I have to move to the 4 hour. But this is a selling market, guys. It's a selling market because we have a 1, 2, 3 on the bigger time frame. We have 1, 2, 3 on the bigger time frame. So the market went down with an impulse. So don't be scared of this. This is just a correction. Understand? This is just a correction. But then what I can tell you is price is going down. See? And again, what I had here, it was this double top. So confirmation of the price going down is it's high. You know, so go to the 1 hour now. So on the 1 hour, let's see 1 hour. 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, even on the 1 hour, guys, price still agrees with me. You see? So for these ones, guys, those things are simple. As long as you know the market structure, you will kill it, you know. No guesswork, no nothing. Just pure skill and pure price action. And then we come here, that's the daily, that's the target. I go to the 4 hour, just go there to check my target, guys. Understand? I just go there to check my target. Okay, yeah, you see. So done, guys. I don't know what's so difficult. I think now I have to analyze the last one. Then I'll be done, guys. So I was analyzing the what? I was analyzing the synthetic indices for you. I was analyzing the synthetic indices for you guys. So let's check for the last one that people trade the most. VIX 50. Let's see VIX 50. People love to trade VIX 50. I don't know what's so nice about VIX 50. And I don't know what they. Oh, nice structure, guys. Yeah, guys, okay, I start on the 4 hour. I just want to show you something. I just opened the 4 hour and saw something interesting, you know. So on the 4 hour, what I've seen is I saw a head. The first thing I saw, it was a head and shoulder setup, you know. And I was like, damn, market is really easy. You see, guys, so this one was just a matter of head and shoulder. This is a 90% rule, and then you're done with it. This one I don't have to go to the daily because the moment I opened it, I just saw what I wanted. You know, we had an impulse going down. After the impulse, guys, we had what? We had a correction. After a correction, we had a what? We had another mini correction inside the correction. We had a mini correction inside the correction. You see the drill? This is how it is. Done. Could have had that thing there by the whatever it is there, and I'll take it from there going sideways and going down. So this has to be my what? Take profit level. So guys, it's me, man, under the goat, and I'm signing out. So if you wanna find more about me, you can follow me on Instagram. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. You know, thanks for 10K followers. The next video I'm doing it will be based on entries only. The reason I did this video, a lot of people didn't understand how to trade those things. So I'm just showing you that, okay, those things you can treat them the same way, you know. Don't be fooled that there's a system that can trade for you this way. You just need you and yourself. So guys, it's man under the good. Let me not talk a lot. See you on the next